Hey everyone, if you're an agency owner or a freelance in India, you know the pain of cold outreach. You spend 10 minutes talking a LinkedIn profile just to write one line that isn't I love your work. It's exhausting and it doesn't scale. I built an AI agent using LangGraph that does this for you with the name Reachout bulk. Let me show. I put the company's name, the URL of its website, and some about information. What does the company do and what it's doing currently? Then I just input the target profile. For example, let's take off the well-known Pulak Agarwal and his company's URL, website URL, and I just click on generate messages. So instead of just guessing, my agent now is searching the web for the latest news and the posts in which it can help you reaching the person in a more precise and generic way. So unlike basic chat GPT wrappers, I have built a critic node. If the AI writes something that sounds like a bot, my agent catches and rewrites it until it sounds like a human wrote it. Look at these three options. So, as co-founder and CEO of Inshipper, your focus on quality and accessibility is crucial. Stickrise shares your commitment to providing high-quality products, making our stickers a great fit for your customers. So, I've given three options. You can just select it, directly copy it from here and paste it through their DM. And also with this, I'm having an intelligent dossier in which it verifies the current role, gives the key trigger and post what the user is doing by reading the last 5 to 10 posts of that and what the company mission and goals are. If you are like a salesperson, you have to outreach many people. So I'm having a bulk CSV export feature also. In this, the CSV should include two important things. One is the LinkedIn URL for the person, and the other is the company URL in which the person is working or they are owning that company. So let's stop sending spam and start building the real connections. So check it out. If you like it, go and buy the subscription plan of 100 credits, but you will be getting the first 3 credits on the sign up free. Thank you.